All right, this is going to be a little more behind the scenes style video and series showing you how we're building a completely new business. Not really completely from scratch, but we're spinning up a new offer here. And that is what we're starting from scratch. So I'm going to show you guys like kind of what the offer is, what the business is. I'll show you like how we're selling it, break down the funnel, and then kind of every week we'll go through how much we were spending on ads, how many deals we closed, how much we actually like profited off of that, and kind of just share some like roadblocks and whatever's coming up along the way. So I got the blue light blockers on here. It's looking a little weird. I'm a blue light guy now, apparently. Yeah, just a little quick overview of what this business model is. We're reselling just high level white labeled under our own company branding. Now, the way that we're going out and selling it, we're specifically targeting the solar industry, right? So we're targeting solar pros, and we're basically having this low ticket software where we're selling them more on like, instead of just the software or like a high ticket agency, kind of like right in the middle where it's more of a done with you offer. Okay. So the monthly subscription is going to be $297 a month. What they're getting with that is full access to the software. Okay, so I'll show you some things that we have incorporated within the software, like what they're actually getting. And then they're also getting direct access to our team. Okay, so we do premium onboarding. So we get everybody onboarded, make sure everything is all connected, everything is all fully integrated. So there's no like room for error there. Every week, we also offer 3 weekly support calls. So group coaching, group support, whatever you want to call it. They actually will have access to people like on our team so that they're not just like buying the software and trying to do it all on their own. And we're coming from more of like the higher ticket agency space. But what we're seeing right now is more of, at the end of the day, like those higher ticket offers, like they just are expensive. Like you need to get businesses who have a massive marketing budget to put up, $4,000 or $5,000 in ad spend every month on top of the agency fee that we have to charge for it to make sense for us to actually go in and do all that work, right? So what we're seeing work better right now is kind of this lower ticket subscription, just based on where the market is, where the economy is, this lower ticket subscription with that kind of support on the back end where it's not all done for you. Like we go in, we build it out for them, and we kind of coach them along the way to increase that retention over time to the point where, hopefully they're staying on for like 6, 12, 18 months, right? So let me just show you guys like a little look here at the platform on the back end. Okay. So like I said, it's high level white labeled. So we can brand it under our own company. And basically I'll have more videos like on how to actually do this, like and act as an agency, to go out and build out all these different sub accounts. But the way that we customize it, okay, so we went in, like I said, we have a spot where they can go in, they can book group coaching calls. So we do these 3 times a week. You can go in and that's where you can have direct access to us. We also built out a full course too. Okay. So this is kind of where a lot of value comes from and helps that setup process. We have like 16 or 17 modules right now showing exactly how to use every part of the system. Also videos on like strategy, like lead generation strategy. Like, okay, now once you have everything set up, you launched ads. What do you do when leads come in? How much do you expect leads to cost in your area, right? Like more just geared towards strategy behind lead generation and on top of like going in and setting everything up. So, but let me just show you some other features that we have. So they can go in, they can launch ads directly through the platform, literally in like 5 clicks. We have this ads launcher here for like automations and everything on the back end when they go in and they actually launch ads. So we have all of these different nurture flows set up. So for example, let me just jump into this one. So again, this is like if you just were to go out and buy high level for your business, like you'd have to set up all the workflows, you'd have to set up all the websites, you'd have to get the Facebook integration yourself. So it does rack up. What we're doing is just building all this out here so they can go in and they can just use a completely set up product where it's just plug and play, super easy to navigate. So that's kind of just a look at the workflows, a quick look at the sites. So this is kind of what they're getting as well. So here's a quick look like at the site. So here's like our a funnel that we build out for them. So pretty straightforward here. They can just connect this right onto their ads. Everything will be custom to their business. So we have like custom values where like, this is just a basic logo. It'll be their company name, their company offer. And then this obviously will be integrated on the back end to their calendar. So again, just a landing page here, and that's just a quick look like at the platform. So it's a full lead gen software and service for solar pros. Let me show you how we're going out, finding customers, and show you like what the funnel looks like. So I'll just show you the ad that we're running right now. to get people in. Right now, it's costing us like, which is honestly really good. We're getting appointments for like $20. So to fill out our calendar, so we have one closer right now on the team, to fill him out and book him for 40 appointments a week, it's going to cost us around $800. If this stays, within $20. We were getting leads for like $10, which was huge. We had these, I'll show you the videos here, but here's one of them that we were running.
Solar pros, stop paying marketing agency for leads. You're wasting thousands of dollars a month for something you can easily be doing yourself. You can do exactly what these glorified marketing agencies do every single month without paying the insane retainer fee. Have a full lead generation system that puts you in full control of your own lead flow. Just click the button below and we'll show you exactly how to get started today.
All right, there we go. So there's one. As you can see with the setup, the ladies tend to work better. I don't make the rules. So they click on that ad. They're brought to a funnel where they can go in, book a call directly on our closer's calendar here. So right now, like I said, we started this. What's the date today? September 8th. I don't know if you can see that there. Yo, what's going on, guys? So it is present day today, January 22nd. Can you see that? Will it zoom in? You can take my word for it. All right. So yeah, as you can see in this doc, it started, I don't even remember back when we started it in like September, October or something. And I was going to just kind of film this a little behind the scenes, drop it as like a full documentary once we built it. Then I was like, might as well just roll some episodes out so you guys can kind of watch. A lot has happened since I filmed this video. Like nearly everything has changed. So we're going to have more follow-up videos kind of breaking down what we're currently doing right now. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe. And if you're wondering why the video that you're watching right now started in like September or whenever it did, that's why. Because I was going to film it, do a little doc. Then I was like, there's no point in waiting or making a doc. It's like, just drop the videos, dude. Right? Right now, I think we have like, let me see, 1, 2. So we have 8 active clients on right now. And we signed, it was like the last 2 weeks. So we're sitting at like $2,400 MRR, which is pretty good. Next week, I'm expecting this upcoming week to be pretty big, but everything looks like. But yeah, I think our closers already got like, for Monday, it's Sunday when I'm filming this video. So Monday and Tuesday, I think he already has like 10 appointments on the board. So yeah, we're going to fully book him out. Last week, I think we collected $1,829. I'll go ahead and screenshot that. So pretty good. But no, we're seeing like a pretty good close rate too. I think we're closing like what the numbers look like, and I'll break this down more in like another video, but we have like, 40 appointments on the board. Typically we're seeing a 50% show rate. So he's going to talk to 20 people. Out of that, he's been closing like 35, honestly 40%, which is solid. It's a lower ticket offer, so it's easier to close than like a $2,000 per month offer. And then from there, basically the step, once they close them, they go in, they book an onboarding call. That's where they meet with me. I get everybody onboarded into the system. They go through all of our course content, and then they're literally ready to go like that is as soon as they're onboarded. So they can get ads up and running that same day. They can start generating their own leads. This is an industry where if you're a solar pro, there's really only like 3 ways you can go out and generate leads. You're either going out door knocking, spending your whole day out knocking on doors. You're buying lead list, right, from what the leads that you're buying, the marketing agencies that are selling them to you are just doing this, like what we're providing, and then they're upselling those leads. So it's like, if you're buying leads, it's like, why wouldn't you just generate them yourself? Like they're 100% exclusive to you, and you're getting them at wholesale cost. So that's kind of like a big selling point. It's like, well, if you're going to spend money, if you're going to buy leads anywhere, you might as well generate them your own by yourself, right? Or you could have like a call center go out and try to call a bunch of leads, whatever, right? At the end of the day, like there's only so many ways you can go out and generate leads. So it's either going to go out and you're going to pay an agency like a couple $1,000s a month to run the ads, and then you're going to have to spend money on the ad spend, or you can just have like a low ticket software cost like this, where you have access to our team. You can get that group coaching, and you're getting leads for as cheap as possible, like at wholesale cost. So we'll see how it goes over the next week. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, we are back, and we got a couple updates for you guys. So it is September 18th. I don't know if you can see that right there. Oh, can you see the new wallpaper that I switched to? Past week, we actually did a pretty good amount. We switched up the support system. We added a whole new channel, like we built out a school group. I showed you guys a little bit of that earlier in the video. So we went ahead and we built that out. Right now, we are sitting at about just over 4,000 in recurring revenue. So we actually had a pretty good, yesterday I think was our biggest day so far of cash collected. We did, so just around $1,200 yesterday. So we're sitting at in the past week. Right now when I'm filming this video, it is Wednesday. So yeah, it looks like just around 2K. We have some more that I hope at least one more is going to close later tonight. Maybe not, but yeah, pretty good. We're getting it up to right around 4K. Now, that is not profit just yet, okay? So just to be, completely transparent and kind of show you guys like how it works. We have like 16 active users. I think we have 2 like canceling. But yeah, 14 active users right now, which is good. So we're starting to build up that recurring to a point where it's like, all right, month 2 hits, then we can start to see some money, right? So we're spending around $1,000 a week right now. We're running ads. Our ad account got disabled like last Sunday for whatever reason. We went a whole week cooking out like $20 appointments, which was literally perfect. Like I think we signed 6 people that first week. We had a couple follow-ups that came. So, what we're looking to do here is to just really break even on the front end and cover our operational costs. Because like I said, we're spending like $1,000 a week just to operate. Like that's what we need to spend to keep it like up and running. So if we can break even or even make a little bit, I think we made like a couple $100. So as long as we're breaking even on the front end, month 2, when that hits, that'll all be profit minus, whatever the churn is. The churn's still pretty low right now, which is good. We're starting to grow the user base pretty quick. This week was fairly light with appointments. Like I said, it's Wednesday. We brought in 4 new accounts at the point I'm filming this video. Hopefully I'll shoot a quick update like later tonight or tomorrow morning and say that we ended up closing some more today. I guess we'll see. I don't know if we're going to make that. So the way that we are onboarding everybody is staying the same. We have a group onboarding class that I'm running. So it's literally just 5 people max per class. So we can go in. I do the onboarding group style just over like Zoom on a screen share, being like, all right, here, everybody go in, do this, do this, do this, get everybody onboarded into the system. Now, what we wanted to do was group coaching, but we realized that just wasn't really going to work because we would get like, even if there's 3 people in a group coaching, for the most part, they're going to have like different questions. So it's just going to like, someone's going to ask a question. It'll take us 20, 25 minutes. So you'll just have people like sitting in there kind of like waiting. If you're the last person to go, you're in there for like an hour just waiting for your question to be answered. So what we did was move all of the video content, like all the trainings on how to actually use the system and how to run your own ads into school. And we're also using that as our main support channel. So it's like whenever you guys have questions, like first, go into school. Our support team is active all day there. So that is where we want to be answering questions. We also did open up 6 one-to-one slots during the week. So if you do need one-to-one support, jump on a Zoom with you. But we wanted to keep those limited so that it's not like, oh, I have this one like technical problem with my Facebook ad account. Like I need to book a one-on-one support call for that. Like it's probably just a quick fix that you could just throw like into the school group. And we just help you out there, which is what we want people to do. But if you offer one-to-one support, like every single day, people are just going to have like a tiny issue and book that call, right? So that's what we want to avoid with the school group and only having 6 slots open. So it's like, okay, people probably aren't going to go in and like book a call 4 days out for like a little fix, right? So that is kind of where we're at right now, making pretty good progress. But yeah, we're looking to bring on at least at this scale that we have right now, like with our ad spend and the appointment flow that we're seeing. The appointment cost did go up after our ad account was disabled. For like 2 days, we were getting like $40 appointments, which kind of sucked. We did see those appointments where like, we're not doing any qualifications on them. Like it's just, we're running an ad straight into a call funnel. So they just go in, they book a call right there. It's low ticket enough to the point where like everybody should be qualified. So we have the ad set up where it's like very direct response. Like it's like, okay, like this is kind of what we're offering. If you want to learn more about how to run your own ads and become your own marketer, right? That's the whole point of the whole platform and service, is to allow you to become your own marketer and act as your own marketing agency. That's when they go in, they book a call, then it's okay. $297 a month. We also added a onboarding fee. So what we're shooting for right now is to get 6 new accounts a week. So that would bring on 24 a month. add $7,000 in MRR. So now we're at the point now where like on the back end, like operationally, it's dialed in enough to the point where we can like handle volume. Like we have the onboarding good. We have the support channels dialed in. So now we're just looking to scale this up. Once we get the ads hopefully back under control, they're like, right now they're like $37 for an ads. I think it's just because the ad account was disabled. We had to like restart everything with a fresh new campaign. But yeah, 6 accounts a week should be very doable. We should be able to honestly get like 8. We some weeks like 8 to 10 with those follow-ups. So that'd be adding like 30 users a month. We add 8 accounts a week. Okay, that's $9,500 a month MRR. That's when it can really start to stack up on the back end where we're obviously able to make money. So we'll keep you guys posted with that. This might be the end of the video. It might not be. Just got an email. Thought it was a new account. It was not a new account. But if we get some more, maybe I'll update you in the morning. If not, subscribe to the channel, like this video, more videos on the way. See you guys in the next one. Peace.